Chapter 4. The Nervous System. Do you feel excited when your result of the final exam is about to be declared? When we feel excited or nervous, our body becomes tense. It happens only because our nervous system becomes overactive. All the body systems and sense organs are controlled by the nervous system. It is one of the most important systems of our body. The nervous system is made up of three main parts. These are nerves, spinal cord, brain. Nerves. A network of nerves runs throughout our body. They are like telephone wires. They connect every part of the body with the brain and the spinal cord. Nerves are of three kinds: sensory nerves, motor nerves, and mixed nerves. Sensory nerves. They carry messages from the sense organs, ears, eyes, tongue, nose, and skin to the brain and the spinal cord. Motor nerves. They carry orders from the brain and spinal cord to different parts of the body. Mixed nerves. They carry messages to the brain as well as bring orders from the brain. Spinal cord. The spinal cord is a thick bundle of nerves. It runs down the center of the spine. It starts from the back portion of the brain and continues down to almost lower end of our backbone. It is protected by the vertebrae of the vertebral column. Reflex actions. An automatic movement in response to a stimulus is called a reflex action. The spinal cord controls the reflex actions. These actions are very fast. For example, when we touch a hot object accidentally, we withdraw our hand immediately. Other examples of reflex actions are blinking of eyes with changing light and watering of mouth after seeing or smelling delicious food. Brain. The brain controls and coordinates all our actions. That is why it is called the control center of our body. The brain is a delicate organ which lies inside the hard and bony skull, which protects it. A clear fluid fills the space between the brain and the skull. This fluid cushions the brain from jerks and blows. The human brain has three parts: cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla, or the brainstem. Cerebrum. It is the largest part of the brain and is responsible for learning, memory, logic, and intelligence. It also controls our memory and feeling. Cerebellum. It is situated below the cerebrum and is responsible for muscle coordination and for maintaining the balance of our body. Medulla, or the brainstem. It controls all our involuntary activities such as breathing, heartbeat, swallowing, and sneezing. Functioning of the brain. Stimulus, sense organs. Sensory nerves carry messages. Brain receives messages, processes messages, forms responses. Motor nerves carry commands for suitable action. Muscle or body part. Body acts accordingly. Working of the brain. Sense organs. We have 5 special organs which help us know about the outside, the world. These organs are known as sense organs. The 5 sense organs are the eyes, the ears, the nose, the tongue, and the skin. The eyes. Our eyes are very important because they give us the power of sight. Each eyeball is safely set in a deep bony socket and is further protected by the eyelids and the eyelashes. These help to keep dust and dirt out of our eyes. In the front portion of the eye, there is a circular, transparent area called the cornea. The colored circle in the eye is the iris. The pupil, which looks like a black spot, is an opening through which light enters the lens. A sensory nerve called the optic nerve connects the eye to the brain. Care of the eyes. Do not read in dim light or very bright light. Wash your eyes with clean water many times a day. Keep a distance of at least 6 feet from the television while watching a program on it. Do not watch television for long periods. Do not read in a moving vehicle. This will strain your eyes. Do not read while lying down. Sit erect and hold the book about a foot away from your eyes. Do not use anyone else's towel or handkerchief if you have an eye infection. Do not rub your eyes with a dirty towel or dirty hands. This can cause infection. Tell your teacher or parents immediately if you find difficulty in reading what is written on the blackboard. The ears. Our ears help us to hear sounds. They also enable us to keep our balance. The outer ear helps us to receive and direct sound waves to the inner ear. Care of the ears. It is harmful to your eardrum to use pointed object to clean or remove wax from ears. So, do not use sharp objects. Use a dry towel to clean your ears. Do not let water enter your ears. If you feel irritation in your ears, consult a doctor. The nose. Our nose helps us to smell a variety of objects. The sense of taste and the sense of smell are linked. There are many nerve endings in the upper part of our nose. These are sensitive to smell.